Food safety is key because it affects our own health. So when you use the chemicals as required, you are saving your own life, saving life of others, and also increase the amount of goods or material that we export outside. Because the outside market is very keen about the safety of the foods that we take. Yeah. We are going to train farmers, although it has started here, but we are going to work with the partners so that we are able to train farmers in all the counties.
Food safety in terms of residues resulting from pest control products that has been handled. Food safety resulting from handling and transportation of food, which lies with public health. And we have the bill on food safety coordination bill, being discussed currently. And those are the mechanisms that the CS was talking about that are going to help. But the implementation lies with each and every responsibility. We have a stake, the regulator have a stake, you consumers have a stake, and farmers also have a responsibility.
Wazungu wanaichunga sana. They don't be poisoned by chemicals from Africa and other destinations. But we